Installation of CISS on Epson Stylus Office B42WD printer. Place the CISS on the right side from the printer and stretch the ink tube. Remove the small plugs and carefully place air filters instead. This is working state of the CISS. Make sure you keep the plugs for further transportation of the printer with installed CISS. Power up the printer and turn it on. After the carriage moves to cartridge change position, unplug the printer from the electric network by pulling the power cable out of the socket. If the printer had been already used prior to CISS installation, pull the cartridges out of the carriage following the user's manual. Using a blade screwdriver, remove the cover of the cartridge chamber by placing the screwdriver in between the cover and carriage. Move the clip rightwards till you are able to pull it out. Remove the cover. Clip breakage does not influence printer's workability. Make sure the color orders of the cartridges match those of depicted on color sticker on the printer's case. Insert cartridge block into the carriage. Carefully push the cartridges down until they click in. Check all the 4 latches. Place the ink pipe into the T-bracket and fix the construction to the external side of the printer's case. Move the carriage into the extreme left and then to the extreme right position, checking there are no twists along the ink tube and it does not interfere with the movement of the carriage. Place the clip onto the case of the printer and fix the ink tube in it. Plug in the printer to the electric network and turn it on. When the ink drop indicator lights up, carry out the ink resetting procedure by keeping the zeroing button situated above the cartridges pressed for 5-7 seconds. After that, press the ink drop button. Close the lid of the printer. The printer will be ready to work in several minutes. The ink tank must be placed on the same level with the printer, not higher nor lower it. Proceed with test page printing. Make sure the printer is connected to the computer and there is a paper in the input tray. Go to Start, Devices and Printers. Click the right mouse button on the printer icon and select Printing Preferences. Maintenance. Nozzle check. Press Print button. Have a good printing.